Here we utilize controller to turn on the fan via power switch. We can press this button to turn on the fan, and press Enter button to turn off the fan. Firstly, we have to add power switch into the device library. After that, you can upload a wallpaper you like. Now drag and drop the power switch icon and allocate it at a proper place. The next task is to build up connection. You can give a name for this device here. Select the correct port and make it online. Once it's done, the connection setting is finished. The final step is to create the control buttons. Add the first button, give the name, and select an action you want. The same case, run the same process to add the second button. Let's check out the user interface page. Now we can press the buttons to turn on or turn off the power switch and fan. In fact, our controller also can link with more devices or services. For example, in the laundry, if the gas sensor detects the unexpected concentration, the fan can start to run automatically.